Hi everybody, I'm Randall and you're watching Bikes and Snakes. There's the snakes. On today's episode, I'm going to be installing this air deflector on my 2012 Harley Davidson Street Glide. The concept of this is it keeps air from coming up between the gas tank and the big front fairing, and it gives you like a whirlwind effect. To anyone who rides, most people know what buffeting is if you have big fairings or windshields. So, super easy and quick install video, literally just 3 bolts already pre-threaded on the Harley. So it's not necessarily going to be so much an install video as I'm going to show you how to put it on the bike, and then I will do a review on it. So, stick around. Alright guys, bear with me. I'm going to try to keep this from being as shaky as possible. It literally just goes into these 3 factory pre-threaded holes right here. Actually, I'm showing you, might as well get a bolt started. And that's it. Not very noticeable. I'll actually get to the review part here shortly. There we go. I'll actually be riding that one out here in just a bit, but y'all won't be around for that. Don't you just love the Texas weather? Wasn't it just nice and sunny? That stupid GoPro head rig really messed up my hair, so I put on one of these SA Armory, or SA Company, I always forget, headbands that I wore through masks. I'm glad I had a bunch of these throughout the pandemic. Never had to wear those face diaper looking ones, but that's neither here nor there. I want to do a follow-up on the install of that air deflector. Does it help? Yes, an absolute tiny amount. I even took it off after a little bit of highway driving because I was like, am I overthinking it and just mentally thinking it helped? It helps almost to the point where almost so little I'd say it's not even worth the $26. I'm still going to drop a link in the description, and I hope you guys, I hope this was helpful to anyone. I'm going to try to quit saying wow. I hope this was helpful to anyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoy the bike. I know I do. I hope you enjoy your bike. If anyone has more suggestions for buffeting without, doing a 48-inch tall windscreen, help me out. Give me a like, give me a follow, give me a subscribe. Anything you feel like doing, any love you give, I'll try to give back in the channel. Till next time, guys, thanks for watching.